Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to delete a page. If you have created a page and now you want to delete it, means you don't want that page now. So what you have to do is, first of all, just open your Facebook app. Open your Facebook app, and here you will see three lines at the right side top of your screen. Just click on it. Now after clicking on it, you have to scroll down, and here you will see pages option. Just click on pages option. Now here you will see all of your active pages. So if you want to delete any one of them, just select the page which you want to delete. As I want to delete this page, so what you have to do is, now you have to just scroll down here, scroll aside, and here you will see more option at the top of the screen. More option, just click on the more. Now after clicking on the more, you have to scroll down, and here you will see under page control option setting. Just click on the setting. Now after clicking on the setting, you have to wait. Now here you will see general option. Just click on the general option. Here are many options, but you have to click on the general option. Now after clicking on the general option, uh, it will take time to load because my internet connection is weak, so wait for it. Now again here you have to scroll down, and here you will see option remove page. Remove page, here you can, by clicking on the delete your page name, delete English learning classes, as my page name is English learning classes, so I have to click on it to delete it. So here you will see a notification, delete your page, means that nobody will be able to see or find it. Once you have clicked delete, you will have 14 days to restore it in case you change your mind. After that you will be asked to confirm whether to delete it permanently or not. So if you want to delete this page, just click on delete. Now after clicking on delete, you will see here delete page option. If you delete your page, you will be still able to restore it within 14 days. Means if you delete this page, but now after few days you want to restore this page, you can restore it. So under 14, within 14 days you can restore the page. So if you want to delete page, just click on delete page again. Now click on delete page again. Now here you will see the a notification, page enter deletion mode. You can cancel the deletion within 14 days. So like this you can delete your page on Facebook. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.